Hello and welcome back for my video. In this video I will introduce MySQL version 8. It's not so new anymore, but it's still not used many places. MySQL 5.7 is the most used version, I think, but if you want to have more performance you should change your database version to MySQL 8. But be careful before you do it, because some kind of a dependency will happen when you change from 5.7 to 8. So I would recommend you to build a developer MySQL 8 server and then run your application in a test environment, just for your own sake. So let's begin. We need to download the latest version of MySQL configuration to Ubuntu version, and for this we go for the temp folder so we can download via curl. You need to go for the last version, go for dev.mysql.com, downloads, repo, ATP, scroll down. This is the latest version for me, and when you have the latest version you can go for your terminal and type curl ol. HTTP is dev.mysql.com get mysql app, and then the version of yours. Press enter. It's very easy. It's taking not so much time. So to confirm you have it, just make an ls. I have my package here. Then we need to install it. Use the sudo command. And we have it's already installed. I do not expect that. Yeah, of course, yeah. It's it depends on what version you want. I want MySQL 8, and I want the tools, and I don't want the preview package. Press enter and it's continue. What I thought it is, it's starting to install my MySQL, but it will not. Then to do app update to be sure we have access for the right package. Then we need to remove the package again. We don't need it anymore. And then we need to install mysql-server. If you hit this error, it's not sure you do, but if you do, you can resolve it by install a little package. But first we need to add app repositories. Users, and then an update. And what we need to is install the lib mcap2. And this will be installed. And then we try again to install MySQL server. It's asking, can we do that? And we say yes. It will install MySQL 8. And we'll pick a password. I will say 123456. 123456. It's not a strong password in this point. If you do this and you have open for the public, don't use this password. It's only because I'm testing right now. We want to use the strong encrypted passwords. If you use the legacy authenticator method, you can use old compatible MySQL 5 clients, but I will not recommend this. I have tried it and fighting a long time with it without luck. Right now I'm using a MySQL Workbench, and then I use the encrypted password. So I'm basically running all the new MySQL environment and put all from the MySQL 5.7 in the trash. So I don't need to think about to unlock features from behind this version, and it's much easier for me to control in the future. And then we are waiting a little bit, so it's finished to configure on mysql-server. And it's hanging a little bit, but it sometimes takes a little while, but we have time. And then it's continued creating the symlink for the service, and now it should be done. Yes, perfect. And to confirm our version, we say mysql-admin, going for the root user and the password, and what we want is the version. Sorry. And we type our password 1234556, and what you can see is the protocol version 10 and the server version 8030, and it's using the local socket, Unix socket, and the socket is here. And the uptime for the server is 22 seconds. We have 2 threads, 3 questions, slow query, opens, and blah 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 blah. And to be sure it's running as it should be, we can use system ctl status mysql. But you can see here it's active running and it's running well. The last one we need to run is the MySQL secure install. It will guide you for the most secure way for the MySQL and configuration. You need to type your root password. The root password is 123456 because that's what we want pick when we install MySQL. And in this case, I don't want and change the password, no thanks. And remove anonymous users, yes, we don't want these users. Disallow root login remotely, nope. I'm very interesting to remote my root user in my network to my server. If you're in production, I will recommend you to disallow remotely and then SSH into your server and then log in for the MySQL. But when you are in the developer mode, it's much easier to have a MySQL server and then run the environment in another location to save your own machine power. So in this case, as I know, remove test database and access to it, I would say no thanks. And reload the privileges, yes thanks. And everything is done. And we run it here again, and we run this one 123456. Everything runs smooth, and to be 100% sure, we log into the MySQL, and you can see the command line. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. Make comments below if you have any question. I will try to answer you. I hope you are interested to join my channel. Subscribe and make it a like and share if you want. Thank you and see you.